2010 Toyota Tacoma. Looking for air conditioning leaks on it. There you have the AC leak right there. So that would be the O-ring, guys. That's the O-ring right there. Look at it. That's coming out. O-ring. Let's check the lower one. See if the other one is leaking too. The other O-ring over here. This one down here. Let's check that one out. Sí.
¿Dónde?
Ahorita le enseño. Check the lower O-ring also. That one's fine. Condenser's fine. So those O-rings are good. We're gonna go ahead and change the O-ring. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Small leak. Es fuga chiquita. Esta fuga te dura unos 2 meses jalando, 1 mes y medio. Mira, ven, ¿quiere ver?
No, sí, sí.
¿Sí lo ves que está sale y
Sí.
sale y sale? Te puede dar 1 mes, 30 días o menos. Porque está saliendo, saliendo.
Sí,
saliendo para...
duró más que la María.
¿O sí?
Sí.
Yeah, hold on. We're taking off the O-ring that's leaking right here. Well, this is a different type. There's different type of O-rings for the AC. This one's this one right here. Fell off. Just grab it. It's wore it out, but it looks like a bigger one right there that goes. This one looks like it's too small. Let's see. Just make sure you get the right size. So yeah, before you put Freon on your car, if it doesn't have none, and you did no repairs on it, don't just fill up the car, send it leak it back out, because if it has no Freon, it's for a reason. Just like this Mercedes here, this car, AC compressor broke from the back. You'll see in one of my other videos, it's cracked. I just ordered another one. We're gonna replace the AC compressor on that one, on the Mercedes. Do a leak test and everything, but it cracked the compressor. Here's the kit. You can buy it on Amazon if you need any of these O-rings. But Amazon's cheaper to go, because if you go buy them somewhere else, like they want too much money just for like 2-3 of them, you know? It's like $20 a kit. Look. There you go. There you have it. You know? Brand new one. Then we're gonna put some oil in the system too. Look, some oil. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll do more videos so you guys can learn how to do it yourself. Put the oil right here. So put a little bit of oil on the O-ring. There you go. Slide it back in the hose. Right there. Size 10, Toyota Tacoma. Most of them are 10s on the condensers. Most of them are 10s. So you need a little pry tool to pry it out. That one was stuck on there really bad. Customer said he hasn't had AC for like 6 months. This is all it was, a leak. Good right there. We could do another leak test. It shouldn't leak no more. And then we'll do a vacuum and everything on it. So connect the valves, connect the machine back up. Let's see right here. Let's plug this machine back up. Oh, we have it on vacuum. We have it on vacuum. Do a leak. One more time. I'll do 200. Let's see if it keeps leaking. That grease there, that was from the leak. That was grease there. All those markings. And 600 right there. Yeah, right there, 200. 205, 200, 205. Right there, that's where it started leaking anyways. There you have it. One more leak. Mire, ya quedó, ya no hay fuga. Ahí está donde estaba la fuga, mira. Ya no sale nada, ¿ok? Ya le cambié el empaque especial que lleva el de metal. Oh, déjame hacerle el vacío para echarle aceite ahora. Release pressure. Change it to vacuum. Gonna do vacuum now. Vacuum now. Let's do vacuum, guys. Plug this in. Any questions, comment below and see if I can help you. Any issues with your AC? Let me open up the extension. There you go. Let's do a vacuum. Vacuum everything out. There you have it. Vacuum. Let's close the red side out and the vacuum should go down under the green. Close the red side. Make sure these are tight right here. They are. They should start going down. There you go. Nice and vacuum. Now if you want to add oil to the system, you disconnect the hose from the vacuum and then you inject the oil to the vacuum. You close it right there. And then plug this. Put some oil. I'm gonna show you right now. Oil to the vacuum right there. Right there. Now we're gonna open up the blue valve and start going down to that. That's it. That's enough. You don't want to put too much in there. There you have it. Now we're ready to connect close the valve. You gotta close this if you're going. So now we're ready to connect the Freon. You see how fast you seen how fast the oil went in, guys? With the vacuum. You vacuum and it sucks it in. And it has dye in there, so if there's a new leak, we'll be able to find out if there's a new leak within a month, 2-3 months. That's why you want to use dye, because you'll be able to find a new leak, you know, with the dye that I showed you, the pack dye. Now we got the green going in. You see the green in there? You can find the leak, guys. Fill it all up, all the way up, let it go in, and then you shut it off right here. Once it's in, you shut it off. So you want to get UV dye, oil pack oil dye. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. On the next video. If you want to know, you got the correct dye oil. You want to buy a blue light, look, UV light. See? Yeah. See how it glows? Look, bam! There's the lead, guys. That's easy. That's how easy it is. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, my friends. Look at that. For your air conditioning leak finder. Yo tengo las llaves, sí, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Oh, okay. Put the gauge on. Va a tardar como para que enfríe unos 5 minutos. Sí, ahorita que ponga el gauge ahí. Y luego hay que echarle más gas todavía aparte. Pero ahorita ya mero. ¿No trabajó hoy?
Despacio.
Sí, ya sé, en todo. Let's go see if it turned on. I don't hear it coming on. Yeah, it's on already. There you go. The gauge you could buy it at AutoZone is like $10. I would recommend you buying an AC gauge, putting it on there. If it gets to like 55, then your AC is good. You don't need more, you know. You're gonna start filling it up more and more, you know. I'm gonna check the cabin filter on it. Right there. Get in there slowly, the gas. Right there. Cabin filter goes over here, guys. Cabin filter. Want to check it out, see that it's good. Most of the vehicles are in the glove box. Ahorita va a enfriar más. Oh, see? Oh. It's a little bit hard to get out with the air on. Yeah, look at all the trash in there. It was very nasty. Lo tira ahí en el bote de la basura, así es el filtro de aire. Lo voy a dejar ahorita sin filtro. So now we get more air coming out because it was all clogged up with trash. So we're right now at, right here we are at 80 degrees, still 80 degrees. And yeah, that filter. Enséñaselo a su tío si quiere o su... ¿Quién es? Enséñaselo al patrón si quiere el filtro. ¿De quién es? Ah, ok. ¿O es tuya la troca o de él? Ah, ok. ¿Es tu tío?
Sí.
Ah, ok. Si ese filtro se tapa de basura, tienes que ponerlo a reciclar. Si lo tienes para afuera, entra como, mira todo esto, entra para adentro. Trata de mantenerlo en reciclar. Ya ves que tiene como un carrito que da vueltas. Ese.
¿Le vamos a poner nuevo ahora o qué?
No, eso lo puedes comprar en AutoZone. Yo te lo puedo poner mañana si quieres. Yo no lo pongo en mi carro. Yo tengo un Toyota blanco y lo dejé sin eso, pero lo tengo reciclando. Para que no entre la basura. Vale como $10. Yo no los tengo aquí. Pero lo puedes comprar en AutoZone.
¿Cuáles son?
Si quieres, ponlo en tu cabina, agárralo y luego le enseñas al señor, dile, es para el aire y él te va a dar para el aire.
¿Uno como esa?
Sí,
Okay.
So, échalo atrás para que mire o dime, dame el filtro del aire y él va a saber qué.
Entonces con eso.
Sí.
Y lo voy a echar para atrás otra vez.
Ajá, mira, aquí va, mira. Lo bajas aquí, esta puertita así, mira, y ahí lo metes con cuidado apagado. ¿Ok? Y esta nomás se quita así, mira, se desengancha de aquí. Se baja esto, mira, así. Para adentro y para que vaya a bajar todo hasta abajo. Ahorita estamos a 55 grados, mira, ven. Está frío, Mira, táchala. Está al lado ya. 50 grados. Mira, ven para que le leas acá. Al otro lado se quiere ver, para que leas. Está frío. So yes, guys, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to take your car in for your AC service or do it yourself. You know, hit me up, comment below. Subscribe to the channel so I can keep growing. You know, I only got 1,000 followers, so it'll help me out a lot and will make me want to do more videos and help people out. Thank you.